Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another multi-pen, and this is the Pilot Acroball Spotlighter. So, it has a highlighter, and then it apparently has 3 different colors of pens, and I'm super curious to see how this thing works. So, there's the package on that side. Let's take a look at the package on the back. So, it looks like it's probably 600 yen, so probably in the $6 range. Oh, I'll include links in the description where you can find this. I think it was like $10 or $12 on Amazon. So, looking at the instructions, I don't know what's happening with the instructions, but I do have a plan. My plan is going to be to open this up and mess with it. Maybe mess with it. Oh yeah. I'm going to open this thing up and mess with it. Okay. So let's see. First of all, how do we access the highlighter? Not that way. So we access the highlighter by doing something. Twisting it? Oh, okay. So it twists off. Alright, fair enough. So, this is the highlighter. And twist back on. So, if you can see right there, there's indicator, indicator, indicator. So, I twist. So this is the Pilot Acroball Multi. Wow, that writes pretty nice actually. Pilot Acroball Multi. And then okay. So it also has a stopping point. It goes blue, or it actually goes black, blue, red, and then we hit a stopping point. And so we have Pilot Acroball Multi. And then I think if we twist beyond that, we unscrew it, and we get to the innards. This kind of has a feel of more of a pen on the disposable side. But it's kind of cool. It writes pretty nicely too. Not bad at all. I like the highlighter part. That's an interesting option. I don't know. What do y'all think? It's not bad. It's not super expensive. It's kind of interesting and unique. I feel like, now that I see this with a highlighter, I feel like almost what they need is I'm trying to think how they could do a highlighter as one of the elements in the multi-pen. That's a tough one. Have any of y'all seen a multi-pen that has one of them as a highlighter? Like this kind of highlighter? I can't think of seeing one. Anyway, if any of y'all have, please let me know in the comments because I'm curious about that. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, you can let me know down there. And let me know what you think about this particular pen. It writes surprisingly well. And I like the highlighter option. The having to like twist and pop it off is a little weird, but it's not too awful. It's one of those things like this would probably be the kind of pen that'd be good if you infrequently highlighted. Like maybe if you did most of your writing with the red, blue, and black, and then every now and then you wanted to highlight something, but not that much. Because I could see this becoming a huge hassle to keep popping this on and off. if you highlighted every few paragraphs or every few lines. But if you just very occasionally highlighted, it might be a good choice. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.